In this tutorial, Vector will introduce the main idea of the system and the basic rules for the operation.
Welcome to our system. The main idea about our system is helping the people like you to eliminate the negative impression to learning programming. The route in front of me will be the road to the target spot. The game rule is simple. Use the blocks on my right-hand sides to compose the commands that guides me to the destination. Before I go back to the charger, you can already start and combine the blocks. Good luck!
After the system receives the signals, the controller will start to translate it into readable codes to manipulate the robot.
Start analyzing the data. Codes confirmed. Checking the task result.
Vector will check the object in front of it to find out whether it is the target marker.
Congratulations, you did it.
After finishing the task, Vector will find a way home. The next task involves if statement and a simple looping.
Codes confirmed.
The surface will slightly change the direction of the robot, but finally still make it.
Congratulations, you did it.
But what if user input the wrong code? Let's see what happens.
I can't found the target spot. Don't be upset. Try again.
Oh, what a kind Vector. The Anki Vector companies offers all the API for the users, to get entirely access to customize their robot. So, after you have learned how to use the API, it's pretty easy for you to control the robot. For the input part, the system will receive a signal string. In the code, I need to translate it into real Python. Things go smoothly at first, but when it comes to the looping and the if statement, it becomes a challenge. Let's try to review the interactions by the code. The first step is tutorial. Inside the tutorial, it's just greeting the user and introduce the system. The second part is input. In this function, it translates the input string into readable Python script and use that to manipulate the robot. This function is checking whether user inputs the right code. The last two are the celebrations and the failure. They are both kinds of feedback to the results. That is all the interaction flows.